Auzubillahiminesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's start our class with dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, increase me in knowledge. The topic that we are studying is odd and even numbers. Let's learn something new. My first question to you is 0 an odd or an even number? What do you think? Let's test. We know that when we divide a number by 2 and it doesn't leave any remainder, it's an even number. And if we get a remainder of 1, it is an odd number. Let's test. 2 zeros are 0, and when we subtract, we get 0, no remainder, which means that 0 is an, yes, even number. You're right. How to identify bigger, even and odd numbers? If the digit at the units place is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, and you can see that all of these numbers are odd numbers, the number is an odd number. If the digit at the units column is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that is even numbers, the number is also an even number. For example, 3456. Let's place it in the place value chart, 3456, and then look at the digit in the units place. If the digit is even, the number will be even. If the digit is odd, the number will be odd. 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. And therefore, this number is an even number. Now let's look at the second number, 4507. We will place it in the place value chart in the same way, and we will look at the digit at the units place, which is 7. And 7 is an odd number. Therefore, this number, 4507, is an odd number. Now, what have we learned? If the number ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is even, and the example here is 86,422. And in the units place, we have 2, and therefore it is an even number. If the number ends in a 1, 3, 5 or 7, it is an odd number. Now let's look at the number that we have here, 7001. And we can see that at the units place, we have the digit 1, which is an odd number. Therefore, this number, 7001, is an odd number. Now, your today's homework is the bridge task. Question number 3. Identify the even and odd numbers. Write them in a key chart in the notebook. Then the second is, let's work task 1. Fill in the blanks with even or odd numbers, and the page number of this task is 10. You have to do it in the book. Question number 3, odd or even. Do parts A, B and C in the notebook. Then you also have to do these 2 tasks. This is task 3 and task 2. Identify the even and odd numbers and write them in a key chart. And this exercise is explained on the previous slide. Then fill in the blanks with even or odd numbers. So this is the task that you have to do in the book and the first one in the notebook. That's all for today. And before leaving, remember, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.